Hello. Now we will move up with the practical number 12. So of the DTM, I am lecture from, my name is Kadambari Kini, the lecture from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. We will start with the practical number 11. Practical number 12. In a practical number 12, we have a binary coded decimal addition subtraction of a BCD number. We have a binary coded, that is a BCD number by addition and a subtraction. Next we will see the BCD representation of decimal number system is easy to encode and decode, which helps to understand the microprocessor based system. So this is called as the, so what is a binary coded decimal? The BCD is a way of representing a decimal number as a string of bits suitable for use in electronic systems. Rather than converting the whole number into binary, BCD splits the number into the 4 digit up to into its digit and convert each digit to 4-bit binary. Thus, for example, 345. So the binary of 3 is 0011, then the 4 of 0100 and the 50101. So basically binary BCD क्या कहता है? BCD convert the binary number each digit into the 4-bit binary. So using that we can encode and decode the number, which is to understand for the microprocessor based system. Next is your BCD arithmetic. It is a arithmetic operation. In the BCD we have a arithmetic operation. Microprocessor performs arithmetic operation on binary hexadecimal number. Arithmetic operation cannot perform directly on BCD numbers in packed BCD format. Now we can see the example. Let us add the 0101 plus 0110. So the 0, that means you can see from here 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 1 is a 0 and the carry 1 here comes, so it is a 1011. So that is the invalid BCD. You have to add a 6. 6 means you have to add a 0110 in that, so you will get a 1 0 1 plus 1, that is 10 is your 0 carry 1, then again 0 carry 1 and then again 100. So your answer will be get a 10001. So that is a valid BCD. When you are doing the BCD arithmetic operation, you have to add a 6 in that. You have to add, this is a valid BCD. Check yourself if the 0101 is a 5 and 0110 is 6. So 5 plus 6 is a 1110. Okay. So next is your BCD addition is that BCD2. So you will get a 1010. So that is a invalid BCD. So you will get a valid BCD as a suppose 5 is your, so this is a BCD1 and BCD, there is a second operation. Check yourself for the, so this is the first, you have to add a 6 in that, like XS3 code we add a 3, in that we can add a 6. Okay, so this is a BCD arithmetic operation. Next method of BCD subtraction. BCD subtraction is a ones complement method. There are several steps for this method shown below. First, perform ones complement of the subtrahend. Second, add complemented subtrahend to the other number from which the subtraction is to be done. Third, now in BCD subtraction there is a term end around carry EAC. If there is a carry is 1, the result of the subtraction is positive, and if the carry is 0, then the result of subtraction is a negative. So this is a 3. First you have to do the ones complement. subtraction करना है तो after the complemented जो कुछ भी होगा उसको complement करना है, then subtract the with the complemented number. complement करने के बाद आपको उसको complemented number के साथ subtract करना है. और अगर if there is EEC की value 1 रहेगी तो subtraction carry आपका 1 आएगा, तो subtraction का आंसर पॉजिटिव आएगा, और अगर 0 है तो वो क्या है, नेगेटिव है. So next is here you can see that 36 plus 27 is 63. So the first is your the decimal adjust after addition. If value of a lower nibble in accumulator is greater than 9 or set AF flag, then the adds 06 एच टू द लोअर निबल एक्यूमुलेटर. अगर लोअर निबल एक्यूमुलेटर ग्रेटर होगा तो you can add the da. If value of higher neighbor in accumulator is greater than 9 or set a flag, then add da adds. Okay, now you can see that the 36 plus 27 63. So hexadecimal में क्या आएगा 5d. 5d मतलब जो कुछ भी आपका आंसर है da ऐड करना है, that is. So binary 0 0. So 0 plus आपको क्या करना है, you have to do a complement. Complement कैसे करना है, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 carries 0 1, so triple 1 1, so you will get a 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, so now we will use the complement. वंस complement किसका करना है आपको, सेकेंड का. तो सेकेंड का है फर्स्ट का. So now we will do the binary addition, so you will get this. Okay, now next is your decimal da. Next is your DAS, decimal edges after subtraction. If the value of lower nibble in accumulator is greater than 9 or set AF flag, then da subtracts 06H from lower nibble of accumulator AL. That is, lower nibble of AL greater than 9 or AF equals to 1, then AL equals to AL minus 6. यू हैव टू, आपको मैंने क्या बोला था, यू हैव टू ऐड द 6 इन दैट. ओके, आपको इसमें 6 ऐड करना है. तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या ऐड किया है, 6 ऐड किया है. उसी तरह आपको यहाँ पे 6 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, देन दिस इज अ वैल्यू ऑफ अ 6. Then if value of higher nibble in accumulator is greater than 9 or set CF flag, then da subtract 06H from upper nibble of accumulator AL, higher nibble of AL greater than 9 or CF equals to 1, then the AL equals to AL minus 60. So 35 minus 18 क्या आता है आपका, 53 आता है. ओके, ओके 53 आता है. और ना इसमें बाइनरी के वैल्यू में तो क्या करना है, आपको 3 का लेना है, 5 का लेना है, 1 का लेना है और b का लेना है. और उसमें क्या करना है आप लोग को, पहले आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इसमें से, एंड देन यू हैव टू ऐड अ 6 एंड देन यू विल गेट अ आंसर. सो दिस इज फॉर दा एंड दिस इज फॉर DAS. सो हेंस वी स्टडीड द decimal coded addition. So you just have to add these 6 in there. BCD 1 48H, 4 for 16 bit, 4 3 bar 8, 3 bar 8 and H. BCD 2 1 9, and then you have to add 3 9. For BCD sum 67H, so 6 8 8 7. Okay, for BCD sum then there is a 73, so 6 8 9 3H. So this is for 8 bit addition, this is for 8 bit subtraction. So now we can see the program for the 8 bit BCD. First assume CS code, DS data, code segment you have to write. Then move AX comma data, मतलब आपका जो डेटा सेगमेंट है उसको एक्सेस देने के लिए यू हैव टू राइट दिस. मूव DX कॉमा AX, तो आपकी AX 16 बिट की वैल्यू जो कि रजिस्टर की वैल्यू DS में स्टोर होगी. देन यू हैव टू गिव अ सोर्स इंडेक्स दैट इज 000H. Then you have to add two variable AL and BL, that is SI and SI plus 1, that is source index 0 and source index plus 1. Then add AL comma BL, then add the, then you have to, when you add the, you add the 6 in that. So move SI plus 2 comma AL, then you end up with the code segment. You have to start data segment. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So you'll get an answer 10. So 10 you have to, first you have to add a 6 in that. You have to add, you can see that in the previous example I add 6 in each. For the da we have to add a 6. For the subtraction we have to subtract the 6. Okay, so this is, so you will get, then you have to end up with the data and the final your program is end. This is a 8 bit BCD add. Then after that your status is your you can see that the EAC1 transfer real result of adder 1 and add 0 0 in adder 2. Transfer 1's complement result of adder 1 and add 1 0 1 0 in adder 2. If 0, then the transfer real result of adder 1 and add 1 0 1 0 in adder 2. Transfer 1's complement result of adder 1 and add 0 0 in adder 2. In the final result, if any carry bit occurs, then you will be ignored. अगर लास्ट में कोई कैरी आ रहा है 1 plus 1 0 1 0, जो अगर लास्ट में कैरी आ रहा है तो यू हैव टू इग्नोर दिस कैरी. ओके, और जो कुछ भी आपका आंसर है वो आएगा. ओके, सो दिस इज द योर फाइनल रिजल्ट. यू कैन सी दिस एंड इन द सेकेंड्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू in the subtraction. So this is a not this is an important term, you can see this. Now we'll see the subtraction of a 2 8-bit BCD number. Into 8-bit BCD number we will start, we get a first number, second number, subtract two numbers adjust the decimal, store the result, and then stop. So this is a flowchart for a subtraction of a two 8-bit BCD number. Next is your 16-bit addition. It is same as 8-bit, but you have to use AL, the, then again you add a the for 2. There is a for first source index, second. This is for a source. So you can see that there is a program for the 16-bit. You can see that this is a 16-bit data required here. So this is a 16-bit BCD. Next is your there is a 8-bit BCD subtraction answer. So the important term is not this. The important term is that you have to write the program like this. So this is in the experiment number 12. This is a program of addition I see you in 8-bit BCD, that is the same as डेटा सेगमेंट मूव AX कॉमा डेटा मैंने 4 और 6 को ऐड किया है तो रिजल्ट मेरा सम में स्टोर हो जाएगा. डेटा AX में हो जाएगा, AX का डेटा DS. अब AL BCD1 ऐड AL कॉमा BCD1 ऐड AL कॉमा BCD2, मतलब मैंने दो लिए, एक 4 यहाँ पे स्टोर किया, एक 6 यहाँ पे स्टोर किया. फिर आई विल ऐड अ दा, तो मैंने क्या किया, इन दोनों का प्लस किया. उसके बाद मैंने क्या किया, प्लस करने के बाद दा मीन्स क्या हो गया, इसके अंदर 6 ऐड हो गया. द फाइनल आउटपुट विल बी इन द BCD सम. तो AX से कहाँ पे मूव हो गया, BCD सम में. एंड देन कोड एंड्स, दैट इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू राइट फॉर CH. दिस इज अ काउंटर पर्पज इंक्रीमेंट. Then code will ends and then the program will be end. This is for 8-bit BCD. You can see this. This is a program. Next is for 8-bit BCD multiplication. This is the 8-bit numbers addition. This is 8-bit multiplication. You have to add the mul in that. You have to use the multiplication. You can see this program. नेक्स्ट इज़ योर कंप्लीट फॉलोइंग टेबल. आप एग्जीक्यूटिंग, आप प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट करने के बाद आपका AX में ये वैल्यू जाता है, BX में 005 जाता है, CX में 000 जाता है, DX में 0. दिस इज अ जनरल इंडेक्स रजिस्टर में आपके 00 वैल्यू जाएगा. दिस इज सोर्स इंडेक्स, डेस्टिनेशन इंडेक्स, बेस पॉइंटर में आपका 0, स्टैक पॉइंटर आपका होता है, एक स्टैक पॉइंटर होता है, सेगमेंट रजिस्टर DS की वैल्यू 40F. ये जब व्हेन यू आर एग्जीक्यूट यू लुक लाइक दिस, आपको सेगमेंट रजिस्टर की वैल्यूज मिलेंगी. इंस्ट्रक्शन पॉइंटर 1 है, कैरी फ्लैग क्या है, जीरो फ्लैग क्या है, साइन फ्लैग क्या है, ओवरफ्लो. व्हेन यू आर एग्जीक्यूटिंग इन द TASM in the output format you will get this. So this is the output thing. Okay, so after that, division of BCD number using successive subtraction. This is for subtraction. We have to give a 2 number, then subtract this 2 number, or multiplication होगा तो multiply this 2 number. So this is using the da and das. So this is the sum of the ones complement. I tell you, you have to add the in the previous. And after that, some of the resources required to solve. This is a 8-bit BCD number for a successive subtraction. I show you the addition, the same like you have to do a subtraction. Okay, so that is for 8-bit SC. This is the output part. This is not much important. The important thing is that you have to add the 8-bit BCD number. So now we'll conclude the multiplication division of each BCD number. So this is a subtraction of 16-bit BCD. So just you have to subtract the number. You can see that, assume CS code, DS data, code segment, and this is the same for all. This structure is same for all the program, and the variable name you can change. You cannot change the move, just you have to move the register. So this is the format of the assembly language program. And this is the output thing. I tell you, this is the output table. When you open this, you will look like this. Da means decimal after just after addition, and das means decimal after subtraction. So this is about the your 12th practical. This is the algorithm. You can read out here. For the successive subtraction, initialize the data segment. This is a multiply 2 BCD number. This is for multiplying the 2 BCD number, and this is for division of a BCD number. And this is the 2 flow chart. You have to draw 2 flow chart for division and for multiplication. This is the instruction set.